Now discussing another MCQs, that is the particle is moving in a circle of radius r with constant angular speed omega. Its acceleration is directed toward the center of the circle. We know that when a particle is moving anti-clockwise of radius r and angular speed is, that is the omega, along the axis of rotation, its centripetal acceleration is directed toward the center of the circle, and centripetal acceleration is equal to AC is equal to v square by r. If we write it in terms of the angular speed, that is equal to v is equal to r omega, that is equal to r omega whole square over r. AC is equal to r square omega square over r. So if we cancel out, that is equal to AC is equal to r omega square. So our centripetal acceleration is omega square r, that is the option B. Now we discuss the MCQ, that is when a particle moves in a circle, the angle between its linear velocity and angular velocity is always 0 degree, 1 degree, 90 degree, or pi by 2 radian. We know that when a particle moves in a circle, its angular velocity is always along the axis of rotation, and its linear velocity is along the tangent, that is the v naught. If that is the omega and that is the direction of velocity of linear velocity, the angle between them is 90 degree. So here write the angle that is between linear velocity and angular velocity is 90 degree. Here linear velocity is v naught and angular velocity omega, angle between them is 90 degree. So option C is correct. Now we discuss the angular speed in radian per hour of the daily rotation of the earth is 2 pi 4 pi pi by 6 and pi by 12. The angular speed in radian per hour, we know that is the spin motion of the earth, and that is the angular speed can be defined by formula omega is equal to delta theta over delta t. It complete in one rotation that make an angle of 2 pi radian, and it time period to complete it, that is equal to 24 hour. So delta t is equal to 24 hour. Put in this formula, so we get omega is equal to pi over 24, 2 pi radian or 24 hour, that is equal to pi by 12 radian per hour. That is the angular speed of the earth. Pi by 12, option D is correct.